I tested 3 money manifestation methods. Only one actually worked. First, affirmations boosted my mood, not my income. Second, vision board, cute, but mostly wall art. 3, journaling every morning as if I already had the money. Boom. Money showed up in 3 days. Why? Because I felt rich, not just hoped for it. Manifestation. Feeling plus alignment plus action. Follow if you want real results, not just positive vibes. First, journaling. Tip: write in first person, present tense. Feel it. 2, actions. Align with what someone who has that money would do. 3, energy. Stay in the vibe. Trust the process. Remember, your thoughts create your reality. You're capable of amazing things. Ready to see changes? Start today. Your future self will thank you.